with his like teenage mind, nag-iisip na po siya ng ganong kasama. 17 also, not only that, di pa tapos. 17 was the time that he learned how to take shabu. Prior to taking shabu, he has been taking marijuana since 11 years old. 11, 12 years old. So hard drinks, marijuana, cough syrup at the age of 17, shabu. And he became a shabu user for the next 15 years of his life. So, if I was your mom, ganon ang boyfriend mo, ng anak mo, how would you feel? Would you want your daughter to get married with somebody like him? Anong sagot? No. Definitely not. Okay? But, but what did I do? I kept the relationship, fought for it, okay? Until at the age of 18, guess what happened to me? I got pregnant. So, you know, I tried removing the baby. Kaya lang natakot din ako, hindi ko kaya. So, I kept it, but it took like 6 months for me to really reveal it to my parents. Kasi lumalaki na, so parang hindi ko na matago. His parents came to our house and tell me, nag-meet yung dad niya at saka dad ko. Sabi, buntis ako, you know. That was a painful news for my parents.